Hey y'all, take a look at what I just got today. Today's date is October 20th, 2023, and I was driving by the local gun shop, and I figured I'd stop in and take a look at what they had. I haven't been in there in a while, and I came across this guy here, and I figured I'd grab it. This here is a Kel Tec Cp33. Make sure I said that right. Yep, Cp33. So this is what comes in the box. Obviously the firearm, one magazine, and another magazine. I don't know what that is. And a trigger lock, which is pretty much useless because I'm not going to use that. Got a couple stickers. Put those on the truck. Hell yeah. Owner's manual. The usual stuff. Alright, let's get onto the pistol. So here's the pistol. Start with the magazine. This is one of the magazines, 33 rounds. It is a quad stack magazine. It's clear, so you can see that you're loading it correctly, and you can see what, how loaded it is. And here's the pistol. So starting from the muzzle, it's got a threaded barrel with comes with a thread protector too, by the way. Looks like there's one M-lock slot right here. Fiber optic front sight, green, right? And orange fiber optic rear sight, okay? Full pick rail for mounting your red dots and whatnot. Square trigger guard, okay? This here is the bolt release, right? So take this magazine out, and I'm gonna lock the bolt to the rear, right? So ready? Bolt locked to the rear, okay? And you can release it like so, okay? That is not ambidextrous, by the way. It's only on this side of the firearm, so it's absent on the right side. Ambidextrous safety, though, okay? Safe, fire, ambidextrous, cool. And this is the charging handle. And the magazine release is a heel release, so it's down here. I kind of wish it was the traditional way, traditional area, but there must be a reason for that, so it is what it is. Magazines do not drop free. You have to strip them out. Let's check out the trigger pull on it, okay? It's a really good trigger. Really good. I have not shot this thing yet, but I look forward to doing so. Overall, this thing is just really cool, and I saw it, and I couldn't pass it up. I got it for 530 bucks, and so, I mean, it wasn't inexpensive, but I like 22 long rifle handguns, but I look forward to shooting this thing, and I'm probably going to put a suppressor on it, and I'm probably going to put a red dot of some sort on the top as well. All right, that's all I got for you.